Hi guys! So today we're going to show you how to put on your Samulnori costume. So first you start off by wearing the white pants, the white shirt, and the black top on top. So after that you need to put together your strings. So you start with the blue ribbon. So you begin by draping it across your right shoulder and make sure it covers the black part. So you bring it along to your side and tie it in a loose bow along your left hip. And try to make the bow ears and the strings equal lengths. That way it'll be easier for your final product. So after the blue bow, you take your yellow bow and you bring it next to the blue ribbon, and you have like a half an inch space, and you bring that and you tie it behind the blue ribbon on your left side. So you tie it into a bow, and this one should be equal to the blue as well. You tie it into a bow and you make that equal. So after that, you're gonna turn the bow, both of them together so they stay equal, and bring it all the way to the middle. And make sure that it's still intact here so it doesn't mess up. After you tie your blue and yellow strings together, you're gonna tie them so that the strings that are hanging are above your knee and the bows are equal length. So after you do that, you're going to carefully move both of them together to the middle of your back, like that. Then for the last part, you're going to take your red string and tie it across your waist. And for the red string, make sure it's higher than the blue and yellow string and tie it to the far right. So tie it tightly and put that in a bow, and make sure that this one matches your length of blue and yellow strings. So you're going to adjust it, like pull them so they equal the yellow. 1, 2, like that. So your bows are going to be pretty long, but that's okay because they're going to be equal and it'll look right. When you adjust all your ribbons, it gets a little hard. So you take one of the hanging yellow strings and you have to bring it over through the red string. So you pull that out, and then you take the opposite yellow string, the opposite hanging one, and you tie that in one knot. So when you tie it, it keeps the bows from moving and it keeps everything intact. So you do that for the blue one as well. So you take one of the hanging blue strings, you bring it through the red, you bring it out, either, and then you take the opposite blue string and you tie that in a knot as well. You tie that in a knot and your bows should still be in place. And lastly, you do that for the red one too. So you bring it through the red, and then you take the opposite hanging red string and you tie that in one knot. So, tie it in one knot and adjust your ribbons. So after that, you should make sure everything is still together and adjust everything like that. So after you assemble all your strings, you're gonna look at the front of your costume and make sure that the blue and yellow are still spaced out and that it shows the white part. So after you get that together, you're gonna pin it. So you have to go under and find the black, and with the black you have to go through the black shirt, the blue ribbon, and the yellow ribbon, and you pull it out and you pin it together. So after that, you have it all intact, so when you move, nothing shifts. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Bye.